Hello, Vivek here. So today I am going to tell you how you can install React project. So first thing, you have to have Node.js installed. So let's quickly start. So first of all, we will create a folder, or like name it anything. I am naming it React demo, and then quickly drag and drop the file into VS Code. And after that, the VS Code will be open. Then what we have to do is we have to open the terminal. So we'll open the terminal by clicking Control plus backticks, and in the terminal we have to write the command, that is npm create wheat @latest. So just write it as it is, and then click enter. Okay, it will take some time. Yeah, now we have to name our project. Name it anything, just like React demo or demo React. I am naming it demo React, and then the package name will be same. Using the downward arrow, navigate to React, click enter. I am using JavaScript. You can use anything if you like. JavaScript, click enter. No, now we don't want to install the npm. We will install it later. So tick no. Now the Node.js is already providing us what we have to do in the further steps. So quickly we will navigate to the file, write cd. Okay, this file, the demo React, write cd and tab. Once you write tab, you will be able to see the file here. Tab and then enter. And then what you have to do is now write npm install, then click enter. And as it is, it will take some time. Just wait. Okay, now once the installation is over, what we have to do, like quickly check all the files are there. And now what we have to do is we will run the project. Yeah, the Node.js are already given. What we have to type to run the React project, just write npm run dev. And remember, we have installed this project using Vite. Now we have got the local host link. Just control plus left click on that. Yeah, our React app is running. So now what we have to do, how can we change the files? So quickly go to src, then app.jsx, and quickly remove the React fragmentation, like everything, and then quickly create our own React fragmentation. And we can write anything, just write for the preference I'm writing just, yeah, if you like the content, just like and subscribe the content. And now again check our React project if it's running fine. Okay, it's running fine. Now what we have to do, we don't want to run the React project for like a long time. So what we have to do, how to kill the React project. So for that we will click Control plus C, and if you wanted to run the React project again, we will just write the same command, that is npm run dev, and we will be able to see the project just like that. So thanks for watching, and if you faced any kind of problem, just let me know in the comments, and I will try to solve the issues that you guys are facing. Okay, thank you.